In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Payoneer as a beginner. Well, first, from the home page, you will see different types of balances. You will have US dollars, euros, and Great British pounds. Now here, all of your funds will be distributed. Now, from the second page, Get Paid, we will see Request a Payment, Batch Payment Request, and Receiving Accounts. So we're going to go one through one, or one by one. So if you want to request a payment, if we select this, first you will need to give them your government issued photo ID, which should already be submitted, but then we have to create a business profile. So if we click on submit, if we are running a business, we need to give all of this information right here and then click on submit, and it will take a little bit of time to actually be approved and reviewed. So if we want to get paid or request payments, that's how we do it. If we want to make batch payment requests, so if we're providing multiple services to people, then we can set this up right here. If we select it, again, we have to submit our business profile, but that is if we are running a business. So from the Get Paid section, you will see also Receiving Accounts. If we select it, you will see different types of accounts. So I have Great British Pounds and US. If you want to get a new account, then you click on Request Account, click on Next. You can read through this information and you select the type of currencies that you would like to receive. So you can go up to 3. So right here, after you have selected it, you click on Next and you submit a request. And if your request is approved, you will see your account right here. So basically what this does is it runs through a bank, in this case in the UK and in this case in the USA, and you can receive funds that way. So you have payment information. If you click on view details, it will give you all of the information for this bank. So that's how the Get Paid section works. If we want to pay people using Payoneer, then the first option, if we select it, you will read that we have to have received $500 into our account if we want to make direct deposits into another person's Payoneer account. However, there's a workaround this. If we pay a person directly to their bank account, then there are no limits. So right here, if we click on Manage Recipient's Account, then you have to add their bank account information and you can send them payments directly through this option right here. We also have the Amazon advertising invoice. We can pay those and VAT. So for a Payoneer card, we have to have, again, there is a limit. So we have to have received payments of at least $100 to apply for a card. And the next section is withdraw and transfer. So basically right here, if you have set up your bank account information, you can withdraw money from your Payoneer to your bank. And here we can convert currencies. So the account activity, you can track all of the transactions, the payment requests which you have sent to people, and also you get reports and statements from Amazon, receiving accounts, monthly statements, and letter of good standing. So for bank accounts, if we click right here, it will show us all of the information for our bank, which I can't show you unfortunately, but if you click on it, you will see your information, your bank account information, or it's going to be empty and you will be able to add your bank account information right here. And the business network, basically, if you are running a business, you can fill in this information for a store manager, companies you work with, business applications, and you can refer people right here. So that's basically it. It's a fast tutorial for beginners, so I hope you managed to learn something out of it. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.